and people are welcome. So make I tell you the truth. See, you see this particular binomial. If you know sabi this topic well, it go worry you because this particular topic come under algebra, and this particular algebra now waiting we say if you see am for algebra section or if you see am for statistics. Apart from algebra, if you see am for statistics, so you go think say na joke why dey lie. Statistics and probability. You don't do this topic before, you never do am, no worry yourself. I dey here. Probability. If you see am for this topic, if you even see am for that section when they talk about permutation and combination, that means if you no sabi am, when you reach where you wan do permutation and combination, this thing go worry you, go stress you. Permutation and combination. People wey dey teach data science, or if you purchase data science course for anywhere you purchase am, you go see say e get modules wey dey just dedicate to this probability or statistics, or the one wey be algebra, and this binomial dey inside. And if you no sabi binomial, the formula of this combination and permutation dem, like, e go worry you. I no go lie give you. So take am seriously, learn am now. You go learn am by force, and e dey come exam too. So you gats sabi am. So now, one interesting thing wey I wan tell you about this particular binomial be say, if you get something like this, I tell you say if you use am run trinomial. If I get a plus b all squared, everybody wey see this one just know say na binomial. Why be binomial? Because your eye dey see first term and second term, nothing concern you power. Even if na 7 dey on top here, e no concern you. As far as I see a plus b, a first term, b second term, so this one na binomial. I don identify. For you to fit quickly identify binomial problem, na im be say you don sabi book already. So now I fit tell you say this thing now fit form this trinomial, something like a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Na here wahala come dey. Na there wey dem dey confused now. They come ask, okay, how you take come get this one? How you take from this one carry get this one? I go teach you right now. So I tell you say this binomial now fit go form trinomial. See, this one na first term, this one na second term, this one na third term expression. And so since they don comot from binomial enter trinomial, na so math dey be. Now this binomial now, how e take give you this trinomial? Make you do am quick. You know say anything squared means that thing duplicate into 2. For example, if I get a squared, e means wetin? A times a, wey go give us a squared. So similarly, if I get a plus b all squared, e go mean wetin? A plus b. May I write a well? A plus b times a plus b. You go duplicate that thing into 2. Now, you get plenty method wey you fit carry expand this one. You get the one we call FOIL method. FOIL method. But make I no even use that one. Make I just do normal expansion wey go make things easier. But na still FOIL method I go stylishly use. But I go just use wetin you know. If I carry this first term, multiply by this first term, come still carry this first term again, multiply by this second term, dey watch my hand o. Then when I finish, I come carry this b, come multiply by this a, come still carry b again, multiply by b. Anything wey give you na the answer. You go see say e go give us this one. Make we do am. So a times a go give us wetin? A squared. Talk now, follow me, no be 2a o. A times a squared. A again times b, dey follow the sign o, bring that plus. A times b go give us ab. We never finish o. Now over to this guy. Use the sign wey dey in front of am. If na minus, write minus. As na plus, I go put plus. B times a is supposed to be a, but a normally come for alphabet na before b, so you go reverse am as ab. Then finally, b times b go give wetin? B squared. Now, how you wan take finalize am? See, na a squared, no other a squared there. B squared, no other b squared. So this one go remain the way e be. This one go remain the way e be. But this one dey resemble. Because they resemble, I fit add am. See am. So a squared now plus ab plus ab. Just like you dey ask yourself, x plus x, shebi go give you 2x. Except maybe you don't know. X plus x na 2x. So ab plus ab go give us 2ab. Because na 2ab wey we see for that place now, plus b squared. You see say from this one now, we don't get this particular one. E stress me o say I follow this particular way like this, can't get this answer. But we just imagine say na 2 be this, na 2 dey here, na e come stress us. So what if e come be like 5 or 7 wey dey here? Let me say e go work o. E go stress you before you come dey expand, come dey get the final answer. If you even dey do mistake, that's why they introduce that guy wey they call Pascal triangle. But before I go introduce Pascal triangle, make we do more one or two expansion before we go come enter that one wey they call Pascal triangle. then you go enjoy the course dey go. But before we comot, you sef try this one, use this method, try x plus y all squared. In the next slide, I go first answer this one before I do another example. Then we go enter Pascal triangle. But make sure say you try am. Follow this system. Make sure say you get am. Na so dem dey take notebook o. I hope say this video sweet you. I don comot. Share this video, like am, and make sure say e dey active, dey learn from me.